report. It is
No.
not my data. It is news. It is from the news report data.
It is totally wrong. 99% is risk in the business field.
If you don't believe on news reports, so who is? And
I
I would
would
like
like
to
to
tell you, I would like to tell you the grounded person that you are saying that a businessman is having so much salary. If you see that the person, the father, if they want them the child to be married, they firstly finds a government holder, like government job holder person.
If your business was fail,
Yes.
then what you can do?
Bec- If my business fail,
Then what you do?
sir, failure is a first step of
I have
success.
stored my pagoda in freeze. Then I tomorrow.
Who can buy? Who can buy?
Right, sir.
Sir,
Every people.
every person will have poison by eating a pakoda as you sell steak pakoda.
Sir, I have 1 minute, sir. One by one, ask question, sir.
First you
Great
can
man, sir.
listen me carefully.
Sir,
First,
of these types of ten, can you
Can you
post
listen?
of Indian Railway? Can you post
Can you
of
listen?
civilian? Can
Can you
government
listen?
post of? Can you name, sir?
can you listen?
Ladies and gentlemen, today we have a debate session. But today we are not going to debate team versus team. Today we are sitting here. We are front of the stage. I will be calling you one by one, you all. If you are supporting, you all know that today's topic is all about business versus job. If you are supporting that business is good and business is better than job, then come on the stage and prove and share your opinion in front of the people. After that, if you want to ask question, so you can raise your hand. After raising your hand, you can ask and you can debate, you can argue with that person. Because sometimes it happens that when we debate with the team, in a team, that time it happens that we make fish market. So today we are not going to make a fish market. Today we are going to argue one by one is kind of. Suppose that a person, I will be calling you one by one on the stage and you have to come on the stage. After coming on the stage, after sharing opinion, one person or two person or three person, if you want to, whoever wants to ask question, you all can raise your hand. If you want to ask, then after raising your hand, one by one, you can ask and you can argue. And in debate, while debating, you can be aggressive while debating. But disclaimer of this debate, please don't use the abusive language and you cannot use a single word of Hindi language. You cannot use a single word of Hindi language. Otherwise, you will get minus. And it may be that your team can lose this debate. Are you getting my point? Yes. What? It will motivate you. Okay. It will encourage you to participate in other next debate. No. This person will be only debating with. And no one can debate. No, only the other team, the opponent team, the opposition team, the opposition panelist, only they can ask. I'm also thinking that now I'm going to add something. You have four, we have four lifeline. You can ask if you are not able to answering back. If you are not able to counter that person, then you have four lifeline. You can use 1, 2, 3, 4 as your wish. Okay. So yes, any doubts? Because I would like to call the first person who wants to come first, who wants to share his or her opinion first. So today you all are going to debate on the topic as that business versus job. I would like to call the first person, Miss Garima.
A very warm good evening to everyone. This is me, Garima Sharma. I'm from Lucknow itself. First of all, I would like to pay my humble gratitude to Mr. Rasid sir and you all for providing me such a wonderful opportunity to share my points on this beautiful topic. Our topic is job versus business. So I support job because as every person have their own passion. As I want to I want to go in the defense. Some of you are here for going to in the cabin crew. Some of you are going to go in to be engineers, and every person have their own passion. So why we should go to do business? We can follow our own passion, and also as a business provides you so much risk. In business, there is 99% chances of your downfall in the business, and only 1% chances of your rise. So why shouldn't we go in the job instead of going to business? That's all. Thank you so much.
You mentioned the risk in business, okay?
Yes.
So which type is risk? Without risk, you cannot do anything. You cannot achieve anything. Every sectors like a risk. So without risk, you cannot do anything. You cannot achieve anything. So explain it.
Yes, you are totally right that without risk we can't do anything. But at first in our life we want some stability. As in our village, in anywhere, there are a lot of common person. So first of all, they want stability and some money in their life for being secured. So right, yes.
What?
Don't get?
Explaining.
Yes, as you were talking about the risk, so
Yes.
risks are everywhere. If you're doing job, then also you are facing some kind of a risk. But the risk are
So also, like you are telling about the risk.
Mm-hmm.
So in business, in jobs, what is the difference between? So it is, yes, it is
no,
the
no,
same.
no.
What is the difference?
In the business, there is a 99% chances of your
No.
risk. No,
Yeah, I think, I think.
sorry,
It is your data 99%.
sir.
Where is it?
It is a news report. It is
No.
not my data. It is news. It is from the news report data.
It is totally wrong. 99% is risk in the business field.
If you don't believe on news reports, so who am I to tell you? You just need to check on the data at first.
Tell about your opinion. So it is risk now. It is
Yes.
risk in business, not risk in the job. You are saying that now.
Mhm. But the more risk is in the business, not in job. Job pay you like you have to the work hours and the salary is fixed there. You have
Job
not.
is the fixed salary. You know about very well. But business is not the fixed salary.
Mhm.
So business is the matter like it's up to you, only for you. But if you are doing the job, sorry, if you're doing the business, so uh, you are not able to. You are doing the job. You are doing the business. So it is not only for you. Your generation
Mhm.
will be will be take benefit it your business.
Only if your business grows, only if your business being successful, then only your like your generation can take the benefits of it. If your business become downfall and it is lose, then what happen?
Okay,
And
sometimes
if you are
it
doing
happens.
job, if you are
Sometimes
doing job, then there will be like you are being paid a limit of salary for which you can stay live with the whole comfort and enjoy.
Okay, you are going to enjoy a limited salary.
Of course.
How in your family? Sometimes it will happen in your family. Like some people, will. How can you medicine? How can you get medicine?
Sorry.
Sometimes it will happen.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe in your family, like your father, your mother. Maybe in your family background.
Mm-hmm.
So he is, yeah, she is ill. It means ill. So you are going to take a medicine, get a medicine in a hospital. So your salary is limited like 20 or 30
I
thousand.
don't think so. I don't think so. The jobs provide you handsome salary
No.
for that you can get
How
treated
much?
well.
How much? Only 30,
And also, if you're
40,000.
no, you are
In
supporting
job-
business and you are where will you go to like checkup of yours? If the if there is no doctor, where will you go? You are you are supporting business, so
Yes.
doctors
So for-
are also job holders. Where will you
In
go?
under the
Do you think doctor is a job profession? Do you think doctors are doing job?
Of course.
They are serving. They are serving people.
Mm-hmm.
yes.
Doctor is a passion.
Sir, can you tell me? Sir, can you tell me what is job?
It is a person, sir. It is a person, but they are also doing job.
Sir, can you tell me what is? Yes, sir.
Sir, but it is not for the
Sir, let me tell you what is job is exactly. Job is something.
hospital are not in the business field. You can research it.
I think you need to update your data,
Yes.
update your knowledge because job is something. Sir, job is some. Yeah, job is something in which you have to work and you will pay the fixed salary of yours. As doctors in the government sector and the private sector, they are being paid some kind of a fixed salary, and even the like prime minister and president, they are also job holders because
Doctors
the
are
salary
doing
is-
also, they are self-employed. They are open their own clinic.
Yes.
They are doing also. They are also self-employed.
how can you say they are self-employed? Government is paying
Many
them salary.
doctors are open own clinic.
He is not
Yes. talking about that, doctor.
Yes, I'm talking about the hospital, like
Yes.
which is certified
So many
hospitals.
doctors like MBBS and NDs like
Minus point. Yes.
no sir.
Yes. minus
No,
point.
sir.
You don't have it.
Just I am giving sir answer.
They are
sir.
just creating cock and bull stories and just
Not bull, not
uttering your
bull story,
questions to
ma'am.
me.
Not bull story. Sir, many doctors like open on hospitals.
Now
not
you're
going
turning your
under
point.
pressure and
Now you're
other
turning
people.
your point. I'm asking that you are supporting to business. Then
Yes.
why do you go to hospital when you like have some disease?
So no sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, not doctor doing the job in under pressure like other people. He own business na. His own business.
Firstly, you need to know that the person who is in the business, they have a lot of like stress. They have a lot of like pressure. Job holders have not that much
Arre,
pressure.
ma'am,
They work.
she is doing the job. She is doing the job. She is under pressure. All the and other
No,
people.
business holder
Every
have a
time-
lot of pressure because they have to follow the trends as well as they have to.
Sometimes it will be happen, not every time.
They
So
have
and
stress 24 into 7
You
hours.
don't know anything. You don't about job.
Sorry,
You don't know about
I
job.
think you don't have knowledge of business.
No, you
Firstly,
don't
you
know.
need to know.
She is like doing the job in under pressure. Other people. Every
Also,
time
she is
they say-
getting a lot of
She
salary.
told me-
Also,
she
she is
told
getting a
me-
lot of salary. Why don't you see her salary and money? How much she is getting?
Listen to me, ma'am. She told me every time I have depression. I have depression. She told me every time.
Have you ever gone to businessmen and asked how much stress and depression
So
they
I
are
have
facing?
told you. I have told you first time. Without risk, without any depression, how can you get money?
No,
How can
no.
you get
Your
success?
point was like the job. There is more stress. So I was
Yeah.
telling that in the
But
business
more
there are
like
more
pressure.
stress.
You have told me. You have told us only your pressure. You told the pressure, not risk. Risk. It means in every field I have a risk.
But business is holding more and more risks than jobs. This is very clear point.
I agree with, but
When you
in
agree,
which-
then there is no point.
But
When you agree, then there is no point of fighting here.
I am getting let me tell you, in the job, a lot of risk. Like sometimes hire your honor, for the business. So what will you do?
Fire you.
Job, yes.
Mhm.
Hire.
Can you repeat your question?
Sometimes it will be happen. Your honor hire you for the job. What will you do?
Fire.
Fire. Sorry, fire.
Fire.
Sorry.
When will you do something bad, then your honor will fire you. Why is your honor mad? So he, without any like
Yes. Without
No,
any-
sir.
Without any mistake, how can it?
yeah, in private sector it can happen, but
Okay.
if you're working professional in the government sector, there is no allowance of government. Even government can't fire you without
You are
any
saying-
mistake or
you
without
are
any
saying your owner is
misconception.
you are saying your owner would be mad then fire you. Okay.
Yes, he has
So,
some.
Listen to me.
Mhm.
Your senior every times pressurize you.
Sometimes
So
pressure is also good. Sometimes pressure is also good because
Sometimes
there is.
job, sometimes job man. So I don't feel like there. Don't worry. My senior every time pressurize me. So I don't feel like there. Sometimes he get out from the job. What will you do then?
Sometimes pressure is also good because
Pressure is also good. Sometimes it will be depression.
no,
What will you do?
they are not pressurizing you that much so that
Sometimes
you
it
can
will,
go in the
sometimes
depression.
it happens. Sometimes it happens. Some people like heart attack.
Oh my
Heart
god,
attack. Yes,
there is.
yes. Under pressure, sometimes it will. It happen like heart attack. They
No.
died. Yeah, a lot of this job in the job field.
Yeah, it more than happens in business. And
Some-
do you know that
You are agree. You are agree in business in job. You agree in business or job. Okay.
Mhm.
So what?
I want to say you that in the 5 years, 90 to 95% business are collapsed. So who is more stressed? Who is like who is more in under the pressure?
mostly pressure in the job.
And I would
not in
like to say,
business.
I would like to tell you the grounded person that you are saying that a businessman is like having so much salary. If you see that the person, the father, if they want them the child to be married, they firstly finds a government holder, like government job holder person, because they have not believe on businessman, because they also know how much risk they are having. Today it is like they are having a handsome
And
salary.
now you are making full and full cock and bull
He
story.
doesn't
Yes,
know the meaning
yes,
of
ma'am.
that idiom.
Now you are
What he is saying.
uh, I think you are not grounded to the village. You are not aware of the reality of.
grounded to village map. I know very well. They are focusing on business. They are, because government jobs are limited. They are
No.
focusing on business. Yes,
Sir,
ma'am.
I think
My grandfather
you have
was,
lack of knowledge.
my grandfather was farmer. They are doing their own farm. He was doing his farming. Yes. I am grounded from village. I think you are not from the village.
No. So what is your point?
My point is, you are making cock and bull story. Most are the people focusing on government job people for
Yes, most of the
them. Government jobs are limited. Other people
government
got
jobs are limited, but it
Yes.
is secured. It is like sustained. It is sustained.
secure.
Yeah, God.
But what other people will do? Suppose government raise 1 or 2 vacancy. There are 100 people.
Yes.
What 98 people are doing?
Then the private jobs are also here. All the
You
people
are-
can do private jobs
you
because
are saying government job.
yeah, business is also like it is very rare in business. Don't you know that sir, it contains a lot of patience. It contains the person who hasn't that much patience. They can't be like
Yes.
in
Business
40 years
also-
they will be depressed.
Business also want patience. You have to win something big. You have to take big risk.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, I agree.
Are you?
Supporting job.
Yeah, that is why I'm supporting the job.
I would like to invite the next person from that job, from the business.
Yes.
I would like to next invite the next person from the business, Mr. Minas, please. Clap for Mr. Minas. You all can ask questions.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Minaz Khan, and I would like to give humble gratitude to my trainer, Mr. Rasis sir, to giving to me this chance to support my topic. My topic is business. So, in my point of view, business is good because it support our nation economy and it gives you flexibility. If you're doing business, you can give job to other people. You can give more. You can give job to other people who are searching for job, and they are not getting the job. So you can do for them, and uh, it gives you flexibility, and like job we can go 8 to 9 hours, and they in job we get more pressure from the manager, from our senior. Like if we go sales, they pressurize you to sell more vehicle, to sell more product of that company. If you are doing job, you can you can sir you can spend a gala time with your family. So that's why I'm supporting business. Thank you. Okay, if we do business, we can provide job to other people. Yes.
If your business for fail,
Yes.
then what you can do?
We can. If my business fail,
Then what you do?
sir, failure is a first step of success.
Are you are you aware the percentage of failure in job and business?
Sir, do you think it is easy to get a job nowadays?
हम लोग भी कर सकते हैं.
For
Sir, like our Prime Minister says,
Skill India.
self-independent. Yes.
As you said that businessmen can spend their time with their family,
Yes.
and a job person
Yes.
who doing job, he cannot capable to spend time with his family.
No, ma'am. They are waiting for the weekend.
I think businessmen have no time for spend time with his family.
Yes.
Ma'am, actually, everywhere are the businessman can hire one person to take to do work, and they spend their time to their family members.
That means businessmen have no any responsibility.
They
for
have,
family.
but they if they want to go somewhere with family member, then they सर उसको कोई नीड नहीं है किसी से लीव लेने के लिए. They have no need to take permission to anyone.
Yeah, I agree. They have no need to take any holiday, but they have no time. They have no time. I think they have very less time for spend anyone spend time with
Actually,
anyone.
ma'am, many people are I am seeing who are doing business. They go and they order their employee. After that, they can go anywhere they want.
After ordering, you have also lots of work.
Yes.
How to manage your team. What,
Yes.
How
That's
many
why I'm
people also-
that's why I'm hire a manager.
How can you depend? How can you depend on someone else? How can you depend on someone else as you are growing your
In a
business?
job, you are already depend someone else.
No, you are creating a job, so you need to be dependent on
If you
your
are
job.
doing job, you already depend on other people or other company.
But you
If
are
they hired you, what will you do for the living? You are searching new job.
at the
You
first,
are you going for the business?
no, you are the owner. So firstly, you should to be self-dependent.
Yes,
As
yes.
You want to spend gala time with your family, so
Yes.
you are just going to any place, and you are like dependent on any other person. So if any loss
I am not
happen,
depend.
no, if any loss
He is
happens, then
depend
what
on
will
me.
happen?
I am hiring him for the job. I am hiring for this the role.
So okay, so you are hiring new person for the role, right? So how can you depend on the new person? If any loss will happen, then what happen?
Ma'am, I am monitoring if I am the senior of the company, I am monitoring everything.
No, you are going to
Hired, educated and experienced person for this for
no,
the
no, no. You are going to have gala time with your family. Then how can you manage?
Why are you?
No, as you said it, as you said that I am going, like I have gone to have any gala time
Yes,
with my family,
yes.
and you are hiring any.
I
no,
I
you
have
are hiring-
excuse me.
Firstly, listen to me.
Firstly, listen to me first. I have one example. I am doing business. You are doing a job. Okay. I have to go in emergency somewhere. So, do you think I have to take permission to anyone? You have to take permission to your senior. I think you are not getting the point, ma'am.
No. Sir, you have. Sir, no.
Sir, she is only focusing on my family. I am enjoying gala time with my family,
No,
sir.
I have answered.
Sir, I think she has no point.
Firstly, listen to me. Can
She
you
is
listen, sir,
only
please?
arguing with me to prove himself.
Why are you
herself.
emotionally blackmailing to sir?
I'm not blackmailing anyone. I'm not blackmailing anyone.
Sir,
I'm not blackmailing anyone.
okay, can you listen to me, please?
Yes.
As government job holder have limited time to work, so
Yes.
they can go.
Actually,
they-
government job is already
Can you listen
limited.
to me, please? So they have limited time for the work, and after that they can go anytime if they want to go to with their family to have gala time. But job holder have 24/7 stress. So how can they go? And
Job holder?
job holder, sorry,
Sir,
businessman.
she is
Businessman.
talking about job holder is already 7 to hour pressure. Take pressure.
into 7 hour pressure.
I have said job holder has limited time for work, and businessman is 24/7 stressed by the work. So how can you go to have gala time with your family?
Ma'am, why are you focusing on my gala time?
As you said, I
I am saying lots of things, but I think
I am
you are
focusing-
not happy
I am
with my gala time, ma'am.
You mentioned only 2 things.
yes,
Pressure and gala time.
I am asking question from your opinion.
Yes, I already gave.
So you give
It's your
opinion.
fault, ma'am. You are not listening carefully.
His answer is not accurate. Okay, I have another question. As you said that, business is like economy. Yeah, you are talking about the economy.
He was say he spent a gala time for his family. Then his business was shut down. Then what can he do?
Yes.
What he can do?
If I am doing something, if my business
It's shut down. Then
shut
what
down,
you can?
I can open new business.
Yes, that's why I'm saying
Yeah.
business is.
How can
high
you
risk.
shift?
That's why.
How can I shift?
Yeah.
Sir,
When-
it is not piece of cake to start a new business.
Yes.
Sir, if I have, sir, listen, sir. If I have knowledge, if I have started one business here to there, I can.
You start your business zero
Yes.
to hero.
Yes.
Zero
Yes.
to.
Yes.
Then I am supporting job is good because job is. Agar if you have a experience, then you can switch.
Yes, I have experience. Sir, can I? Sir, can I? If you hired one company, you can get job in other company. What percent get hike? You get from other person company.
If I've had-
You take only if you take 50,000 in one company, you go another company, you will take 50,000. Okay.
Easily.
If I am doing business, because every businessman doing
But not
Two or-
every person who.
2 or 4 business.
Okay. But not every person was financially fit. According to
Yes.
India was poorest country. India is not.
Again business, yes.
Yes.
Firstly, we
Not
have
every
lost,
person can
we have
start.
lost like lots
Sir,
of-
actually government provide lots of things like insurance, like they giving business loan.
In job also.
I can take business loan from the government.
No. Government provide you
Sir, actually I want
insurance.
to take 1 lakh.
Government provide you.
लाइफलाइन लेना चाहे फंस गए हैं आप।
पैसे नहीं है सर.
अरे लाइन
गला सूख.
किससे लाइफलाइन काली उसके नाम है क्या जाइए वहाँ पे
आइए सर.
लाइफलाइन
My question is, when your business was shut down, during to you enjoying your time with your family, what you can do?
Sir, firstly, I tell you,
Yeah.
I have spent a one business, then I have lots of money. But this businessman is not a short mind. He was invest the money of others' business, not
Okay.
a one business.
Okay.
He was not stay a one business. He
My
was.
answer.
Uh,
My answer is, if you are startup, you are first start your business. You start a new business, and you not have a sufficient money, and you not able to launch your another business. What you can do?
Sir,
Not every person was financial fit because they not have a sufficient money.
right. I understand. Sir, I have started one business. So why I am going?
What percentage मतलब how many percentage chances of your business is success?
Sir, this time is reality. All person,
Are you
every
aware?
person doing a business, not
Okay.
going to job.
Okay.
When the business provider
Can you-
most golden
can you-
opportunity and more higher opportunity,
Okay. Can you aware the population of India?
right?
How many population? Can you tell
I
me?
think, sir, 114 crore,
140 crore.
right?
Then can you tell me the percentage of success in business?
Yes.
How many percentage was success?
I think 95%. 95% woman
He
is
is not
success
aware.
in the business.
He is not aware. He is not
It is
aware.
totally
Sir, it
false
is the
data.
This time it is reality of data, sir. Sir, government job and private job is the limited job. When you do a job,
What is your source? Yeah, I want to see
I
from where you are speaking. Where is your daughter?
What is-
When the government was provide a loan.
Now you are
when-
speaking as your
in job also government
as your
provides
partner is also
like,
telling.
Nothing, sir. Government was provide a job. He was not started any scheme to doing a business. When sir Atmanirbhar business, independence of business, why need government to start this scheme?
If my question is not this. My question is, what your business shut down, then what you can do,
Right? What I have start a business, right?
right?
My business,
But you not have sufficient money. What? Suppose that you are not financially fit and you start you take a loan, then you
sir,
start
he was
your
asking.
business.
Come back to for the first question. First question.
He's asking that it is not piece of cake to start again.
Yes.
Right, sir. I explain. I explain, sir.
Sir.
After that, it is not piece of cake to take the loan.
You can also
I-
take loan. And
I-
how can do?
I explain, sir. I explain your question to answer, sir. Sir, I have not a mental. Just I think I have a 1 crore rupees. Then I think my mind ki I have the start the business slot. This money. Not I have start a business thousands of hundreds of crore rupees.
Yes, good.
How can I?
Small business will be started. Small business.
Can you repeat your answer? I don't remember.
He said that, suppose that I have 1,000 rupees only. I have 1 crore. So I will think about that to start a business from the 1,000 rupees.
Yes.
I am giving an example. Like you stall a samosa, a pakoda stall, and then you have more pressure. After start your pakoda stall, and it will not be sold, then what you can do? And it is more risky.
Sir, I have stored my pakoda in freeze. Then I tomorrow
Who can buy? Who can buy? Who can buy?
right, sir.
Sir,
Every people.
every person will have poison by eating your pakoda as you sell steak pakoda.
Sir, I have 1 minute, sir. One by one ask question, sir. One by one. Sir, I have more option. Sir, I have sell the pakoda in low price.
Low price. Yes.
So I have sold my pakoda is one of one free.
Yes, sir.
One get of one free. Get of two free. Then I.
he work every day.
Can anyone?
Then
It will be
Sir,
not happen every time. Every time.
He is playing with anyone's health.
I was anyone.
No, you are giving your pakoda for free and you are playing with anyone's health.
No, ma'am.
So many people will have stomach ache and so many problem eating your pakoda. Then you have,
Nothing, ma'am. It is not a problem. How can you say that, man?
yes.
You are always in the imagination.
Have you? Are you out of your mind?
Sir,
As you said that I'm.
ma'am, listen me. I have fried pakoda, right, in morning.
Mhm.
I see my pakoda is not sell 12 p.m. right, sir. So then I
Start selling 500 rupees.
one by one get free.
No.
Then then
He is
evening
not
I have
saying-
lots of pakoda
He will
sell.
Sale.
At previous you have said that I will put it in freeze and next day I will give it to other
Ma'am, this is
person.
an option. This is an option. Not I will do.
No, as you have said that it is an option. So
Right, man.
so with this option, do you want to play with people's health?
एक क्वेश्चन के लिए चले आइए
Sir, minus, sir, yes, sir, minus.
You minus?
मैं माइनस करते
Sir,
Yeah, it sounds only good.
Sir, it's a good only sound, not it is reality.
Yeah,
You
it's
can
not
go
a
and
reality.
you can go and check the store of samosa pakoda stall.
Yeah,
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, I told you.
first you visit a store. First, this storekeeper was prepare their fruits in the morning, approx 4 hours. Then prepare. Then he come in the place where he sell.
Yes.
Then he work here 12 hours. It means 12 to 12 plus 4 hours, 16 hours. And in job you can work only 8 hours.
Yes.
And it is not more stress. It is low stress, low risk and low stress.
Yes.
That's why I support.
And you can get proper salary.
Yes.
When ma'am, proper.
My not my.
Are sir, well, sir, you get a proper salary, for your salary is limited, sir.
Now you have to.
I agree, but
This
guaranteed
is the
I,
of the business.
but guaranteed I get my salary.
Yes.
Because
Right, sir. Business take a time, sir. Right, sir? I have lost my one day pakoda.
Business
Sir,
in
sir,
India, 140 millions population are people are lived in India. Not every people was able to start your business. If all people was start your business, who will work in those companies?
So, sir, do you think government provide one? Sir, do you think 140 billion people can get a job in a same company or in a other company?
But millions of people.
When
Millions
no one
of
can
Huh.
do business, then
How
who
many
will provide the job?
How many people are do
If
business?
no one can do the job, who will provide the job?
Hello everyone, being among it's been a lot for me. My name is Prince Tiwari and I am from Ballampur. First, thank you sir for having me this opportunity. Today I am stand here to talk about the topic of business is good or job is good. And I respect business, but I favor job because in my thought job is good. According considering the all in and outs, I favor job is good. And my first opinion is in job we get a fixed salary and no stress, no risks because no risks about the business was no risks about the failure or losses, success. And in job we get if I have a job, we can get a respect or status like many more. I'm giving an example like I'm a IPS officer and I walk away. Then you can also salute me.
Yes.
If I am an army officer, you can also salute me without reason because job is give a respect. In job, you have a
Yes, ma'am.
you have a fixed working hour, and it's mean your the remaining time you can spend your family member and your hobbies and in job you company provide you a health insurance and retirement pension and if you take a holiday then company also paid about the holidays and in job company provide you higher education and in job
The company provides the paid leave. Paid leave.
paid leave yes sir. If you company का रूल होता सर कंपनी
अभी बताइए ना हाँ आगे बोलते जाइए
in job
Why choosing your guys? Yes.
in job you can get your XP you in job you get your knowledge enhance due सर सबके साथ मिलके काम करेंगे सीनियर के साथ मिलके काम करेंगे तो आपका नॉलेज बढ़ेगा
You can increase your knowledge
you can increase your knowledge
with the seniors.
with the seniors in job you can easily grow your career and this was I am supporting job is good.
Question. Any question, please? Raise your hand. No question, minus.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes, please.
I have lots of questions, sir.
Yes, please.
Why you respect the businessman?
I do respect a businessman.
Because I appreciate
Why?
I appreciate this
Why
much I
appreciate?
respect because sir हिंदी में बताना चाहिए.
English में बताना.
Also government was support to
Government also supports.
do entrance startup. This much I also respect government and
Respect government, so
yes,
respect. Yes.
this is my personal reason. This is my personal choice. It is
Then,
not.
then sir, government support.
I'm giving you an example. If I give a respect, then it's my personal choice, not is
Yes.
your mental.
Yes. Yes. अरे माइक लीजिए उनसे नहीं हमसे नहीं. Yes.
Sir,
Next question, please.
your choice.
Yeah, it's my personal choice. It is not
Sir.
your mentality. I give
Sir. Government was prefer this all men to business, not your choice. Sir, he was not allowed the government scheme.
Sir, I respect. Sir, हिंदी बोल रहे हैं.
Sir, when you respect business, why are you going for the job?
Because I am not financial fit, then I do a job. My parents are not financial fit.
You already said government promote startup.
Government also promote
Government is also
provide jobs and promote skill India type many.
sir, government also provide help to start your startup or start
Government
a
also
small
provide-
business.
Okay, government also provide to get you your job. Government
Where?
also
Which job, sir?
in non other than in my college.
Government already
has
said.
launched the Skill India type of project where the student are come here and learn about 6 months. Then he get a job
Sir,
because
listen first. Government already said we cannot provide job for everyone. You can open your small business. Government will help you.
okay. Can government help every 1.4 billion people?
Can government provide every 145 billion job?
In comparison, you can abate the reality. In comparison,
What, sir?
the millions of people, government provides job, but not millions of people. Government provides loan and support.
Sir, government provides a millions of road, but sir, government not provide the millions
Okay.
of job. When the government starts
okay,
what
okay.
they provide
I'm
the
giving.
salary.
First, you put it your phone and check the reality. You
Sir, I don't think putting the phone.
In
you should
India,
come with
how
me
many-
and show this type of. He was create a business. It's a small business.
in India, how many government posts are still going on in India? Can you tell me?
Yes.
Can you tell me?
क्या sir?
In India, how many government posts are still going on?
It's
Can
a
you tell me?
limited seat, sir. Limited
Can you
seat.
tell me? Can you tell me the point? Can you tell me? Can you tell me
Sir,
the
nothing,
digit?
sir. Government provide a limited seat of government job. When government
Okay,
asked-
okay. I'm giving you your question answer. First, you tell me the digit of government post.
like group 1, group 2, group C, group B.
You only give you only give the digit. How many posts are still going on in government sector only, not in private? Can you tell me the digit? I only ask him digit. Can you tell me the digit, only digit, not
Sir, I think millions of people.
millions. That's why I'm also saying millions of
Sir,
people.
but sir, but sir, trillions of people stay on the business.
In all over world, not
Sir,
three people
all
are
over
living.
one day, all
Only.
sir,
Sir,
you talk about India. I will provide the data to millions, trillions of people doing a business.
then you provide also how many.
Sir, businessman, automan, rickshaw. Sir, automan. Sir, celebrity and a TikToker, YouTuber, financial. He was the stalker, sir.
First you come.
Trade man, sir.
Okay. Listen me carefully.
Sir,
First,
of these types of can you
Can you
post
listen?
of Indian Railway? Can you post
Can you
of
listen?
civilian? Can the
Can you
government
listen?
post of? Can you name, sir?
can you listen?
Listen, sir.
First you sit and carefully listen me. In government sector, millions of posts are still going on, and in private sector, millions of then.
Sir, millions of ports in government sector. Government was provide the contractor to do the job and do the business.
Okay, then everyone can start business.
Sir,
Who will
government was lose the government seated when he was provide the private. He was anyone doing the business. He was take the tender and do the government work.
Okay, then suppose that to you and you are सर ये जैसे फाइनेंशियल लॉस क्या करेगा? हाँ, फाइनेंशियल लॉस देन ये क्या करेगा? What will you?
I will leave this tender and achieve
Okay,
this
and-
second change.
Second point, if
अरे
you
second
have
tender.
okay second टेंडर ठीक है सर हिंदी में मैं आपसे बोला आपने पूछ लिया प्लीज if no one can to work on your tender then how do you कैसे ये करेंगे टेंडर
Sir, businessman mind is not a short. He was start a business to present to future.
Okay,
He was
but